Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Sterling snapped a three-day losing streak as the dollars slide after the selection of fund manager Scott Bessent as US Treasury Secretary lent support to most major currency pairs. GBP slumped to a 6-month low last week. Gold prices plunged over 3%, breaking a 5-session rally to its highest in nearly 3 weeks, as reports of Israel nearing a ceasefire with Hezbollah, coupled with Trump's nomination of Scott Bessent as the US Treasury Secretary, soured the precious metals safe haven appeal. MSCI's global equities gauge rose and the dollar fell, with US government bond yields as investors welcomed the incoming US President's selection of fund manager Scott Bessent as the next US Treasury Secretary. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair plummeted 3.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 3.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.